Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is March 21st, 2021, and we're going to be planting some tomato seeds today. Now you can see here what tomato seeds look like. And the tomato varieties that we picked this year, we did the Park Whopper, the Roma, Mr. Stripey, which is an heirloom tomato. I am going to be looking for Better Boy seeds. I ran out, so I have to get some of those. We're going to be doing a Cherry Roma, which is another heirloom. A Russian Purple, which is an heirloom. Early Girls and the Early Treat Hybrid tomatoes. Those two are very early varieties. The Early Treat Hybrid is the earliest, and it does very well for us for giving early. And we're going to be doing the Giant Garden Paste tomato and the Big Mama Hybrid tomato. So one of the things that I do is I do soak my seeds in a light solution of neem oil. Now what the neem oil does is the neem oil helps to get rid of seed-borne diseases and blights. So I find that it's very helpful for tomatoes and certain things that are prone to blights. So I go ahead and soak my seeds in there. So I'm using the Jiffy Natural and Organic Seed Starting Mix. It's a beautiful day out, so I brought some of my stuff out to my garden cart, and then I'm going to be taking it back into the greenhouse and putting it on the heated floor for germination. So the next thing that I'm doing here is I'm just taking some of my neem oil solution, and you want to soak your seeds for just a few minutes. You don't need very long. And I'm pouring some of my neem oil solution over my soil surface here. That'll help prevent dampening off disease, and I find that it works very well. So you can see my seeds down in there, and I'm gonna get these out of here. So I am wearing gloves. You can see tomato seed there. I'm just gonna put it on top here. We are gonna give it a light coating. Then I just have to get the rest of these out here. Go. Oops. See there. And I got one more here. Where'd it go? There it is. Okay. There we go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give these a very light coating of seed starting mix. I'm just going to gently cover them here. Don't want to put them down too deep. They don't need to go down too deep. And I'm going to label this because of all of the varieties that we're growing. And if I can find a link for my seed starting mix that I use and the tags that I use, I'll put it down in the description. So there we go. I'm going to get these labeled then, and I'm going to get the rest of them planted. I was planting some yesterday, and when these start coming up, I will come back and I will show them to you. Now when I put these on the heated floor, if you don't have radiant heat in your floor, you can go ahead and use a germination mat to germinate your tomato seeds. And I'm going to put a loose covering over it so that my seeds can still get oxygen and the excess heat can escape out. So when these come up, we'll be back. Okay, so today is March 27th, 2021. And on March the 25th, my tomato seedlings started germinating. So I took the lid off here to show yous. You can see little tomato seedlings there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the ones that are mostly germinated, and I'm going to take them off the heated floor, and I'm going to put them on one of my shelves in the greenhouse. So I do have videos on my channel for when we transplant our tomato seedlings out into the garden. Now you do want to harden these off, especially if you're growing them indoors under lights, before you go ahead and put them out in your garden. That'll help prevent sunburn and windburn for them, and get them more used to and acclimated to the outside growing conditions. So I do have a video on my channel. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. I'll tell you when I put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank you for watching, and hope you have a nice day. Bye!